Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I'm very excited to share with you in this video how you can create your own landing page for your website without any coding knowledge at all, like some of these websites I have listed here, completely for free. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step in this video. So if you have no knowledge at all, this video is definitely for you. And in this video, I'm specifically going to be using WordPress, how you can set up your own professional landing page with no adverts like the Wix free platform, completely with WordPress with no coding knowledge at all. It's all a drag and drop platform that you can use, so it's very easy to use. And the first thing you want to go to is infinityfree.net, which is basically a free hosting service. They provide limited but free hosting, web hosting services. So you want to go to this website, create your account. So once you've done that, you want to go to the client area in the top right, which will bring you to a page like this. And the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the new account button at the bottom or towards the middle on the right. And it will bring you to a page like this where it will ask you to sign up a free domain with them. So you can see it's a .epiz.com domain, so you can go anything. So for example, I'm going to go Millionaire Mind. I've already created an account like this, you can see here on the left. So if I go to my account, I can see I've got control panel, file manager, and account settings. What you want to do is you want to go to the control panel. So then it will take you to the traditional cPanel hosting backend of your cloud hosting service that you've got with these guys. And you can see if you scroll down below to the bottom of this, you want to go to the Softalicious app installer, where you will essentially install WordPress. And it should be at the top left. You'll see top scripts, WordPress. Click on install. You just want to select your domain, whatever one you've created. So in my case, millionairemind.epizy.com. Delete the indirectory tab. You can just leave it at my blog, WordPress blog. You can rename that to your business name, whatever you name you have, but I'm just using an example. Obviously, just create your admin username and password, and then you can select your admin email, which usually by default is the admin email. Select your preferred language. You can leave all of these unchecked. It's basically limited login attempts. And you can also select a theme if you want a theme, but as I say, I'm not going to install a template theme. I'm going to show you how to create professional and unique pages from scratch. And once you've selected or completed all your options here, you just want to click on the install button. It will then pop up with a page like this, checking some metadata, basically a percentage or a loading bar. And once that's complete, WordPress will be installed on your website just like this. So you can see if I go to this link, the link or the domain that I created on the page I just showed you, it will take you to your WordPress blog. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your domain that you've now registered on the free hosting website, and you want to go /WP admin. Once it's done, you can log in with your details. You'll have access to your WordPress dashboard. So on this page, you'll see you've got dashboard, home, updates, posts, media pages, comments, etc. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to a tab called plugins. Click on add new. You can then see there are a bunch of default plugins such as the anti-spam, Jetpack by WordPress, the class editor. What you want to do is you want to go to the search bar on the top right, and you want to type in Elementor. Then what it will do is it will automatically search for keywords or plugins that's got to do with the keyword term Elementor, and you'll see it will come up on the top left, Elementor Page Builder. Now, Elementor Page Builder is one of the most popular plugins for WordPress websites. It's a drag and drop style sort of builder, much like WordPress, or much like Wix, where you can sort of drag, drop pictures, headings, videos, but except I find it even better and more user-friendly than Wix. So once you've clicked on the install button, it will turn into a blue activate button. So what you want to do is click on that, and it will activate the plugin on your website. And then it will prompt you with the welcome to the Elementor page. But before we get into this, we need to obviously create a new homepage. So on the top left, you want to hover over the pages tab, click on add new. It will then pop up with a page like this where you need to add your title and start writing, which is basically the body of your page. So what you want to do is go any name or whatever the homepage name of your website is. So for example, Millionaire Mind Home. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this page publicly. So once you've created this page and listed it publicly, what you want to do is you want to go over to the page attributes drop down button here on the bottom right of, or the middle right of this page. Click on that. You want to go template Elementor canvas. So it's basically going to be a complete blank page. And you'll see once that's saved, there will be a big edit with Elementor button here in the middle of the page, or either on the top left of this page. So click on the big edit with Elementor button, which will then take you to the drag and drop builder. So you'll see this is now a blank page, because obviously we selected the canvas template, meaning there's nothing to be displayed on this page yet. But don't worry, I'm going to show you some awesome templates that Elementor already provides you for free that you can use to really make and even customize into your own beautiful landing page. So what you want to do is, you will see there's like a little plus sign and there's a little folder icon. So what you want to do is click on the little folder icon on this page. You will see a whole bunch of landing pages here. Really professional and unique ones. You can see some of them have the Pro button. If you purchase the Elementor Pro plugin, I think it ranges from like $30 to $200 depending on your license. You can unlock all the Pro versions as well. But in my opinion, some of the free ones on here are really very professional. And you will see one of my favorite ones is this one here, the homepage of a law firm. So I'm going to choose this free one here. For example, click on the little insert button on this tab or pop-up. You can then see this template has now loaded onto your website. So I mean, this is just a basic template with Elementor that Elementor provides. You can see it's got a very neat Google Map plugin, your email, contact number, the founders of the business, more about the firm, the practice areas of this business. But you can see it's very, very professional. And if I publish this page on the bottom left here, you will see there is an update button, and next to this update button there is a little eye icon called preview changes. So what you want to do is update this page, click on the preview changes, and it will basically show your website as if what it would look like to a client. So you can see this is now what this landing page looks like. So I mean, then what you can do is you can click on each and every individual element. So you can see this giant M logo. If I click on the little pen icon on the right of this, if I go over to advanced and then I go over to motion effects, I can click on fade in. I can choose different entrance animations that this text will basically fade in, or whatever style that you choose when the page loads. So if for example, if I choose zoom in, you can see the icon zooms in. If I choose fade in down, it will fade in down. If I choose fade in up, it will fade in up. One of my favorites is definitely for an icon is just a standard zoom in. So you'll see if I click update on this page in the bottom left again, I again click the preview changes, you will see once this page reloads, it fades in with that cool effect. So the nice thing about Elementor, it has really professional and stylish. I really love the stylish effects that Elementor has to offer. This is just the start. I mean, there, as I say, tons of different landing pages that you can see here. So there's a beautiful one that I really like as well called Brookstrokes, which is another sort of businessy style themed, which I think is very professional. So I mean, you can see if I make this full screen, Brookstrokes, the beautiful picture of a corporate building, a nice little vision here with another building. You can see projects approved, returning customers, awards that this business has won, the years of experience, a nice little about section. You can see the nice little panorama or parallax effect that this website has, or picture has. You can see as you scroll, it's very neat and it's very soothing to the eyes, if I could say it like that. A neat little contact us page and maybe some sponsors listed at the bottom here. So I mean, this is a very professional landing page that Elementor provides to you for free. So I mean, what you can do is, if you want to edit this image, this whole section, what you want to do is right click anywhere on the image, go edit section. If you come over to the style page, you can see here's a picture. So you can click on this picture. It will then pop up with a media library or upload files. So if you have your own file, you can upload, go to your search any folder that you have or picture that you have on your computer that you want to upload. So I'm just going to upload this template picture, and you can see it will then save with this template. So as I say, you can mess around, play with your own pictures, play with your own text. If you want more videos in Elementor, how you can use Elementor specifically or web development specifically, I'm actually looking at starting a second channel regarding this. So leave a like, comment down below what you think of this idea, and if you think it might work for you, because I mean, this channel I more want to focus on actually making money online, whereas I'm wanting to start a second channel more focused on creating websites and the actual back end of online business. But I mean, this is how you can create a really nice simple landing page for free, as I say, without any coding knowledge at all. And you can also go have a look. If I show you, if you click on the little 9 icon button again, you can go and have a look all the different tools or programs that Elementor offers, so such as buttons, dividers, Google Maps plugins, star ratings, progress bars, tabs, toggle buttons, alert buttons, and I've got the Pro one, and on the Pro version there's literally 100 different more that you can use, ranging from awesome effects and that sort of thing. So, and what you can do is, if you want to find out more information about this plugin, you can go to elementor.com and have a look at some of the visual videos that they've got on here, and you can see some of the most professional websites made by or with Elementor. They list here, so you can see pixel perfect design in WordPress, extendable and developer friendly. As I say, no knowledge of code needed at all, and you can create any website that you want. You can see what people have to say about the plugin, and if you want to have a look at the Pro version, or have a look at what the free versus the Pro version and what the Pro version offers, you can see here they've got a personal, a business, and a unlimited plan. So with the personal, or with any Pro version, you get 50 plus Pro widgets, 300 of those professional templates that I showed you, a theme builder, WooCommerce builder, pop-up builder, and support for 1 year. So you can see you can either get billed monthly or billed annually. And I want to show you a website that I made with Elementor, a beautiful homepage. It's actually my holdings business's homepage, Froneman Enterprises. You can see it's similar to the theme I actually just made. I just edited the text a bit, added my slogan and the business name, and also a neat little menu. So if I click on our businesses, it scrolls down to our menu. If I click on what we do, it takes us to the what we do page. You can see a little bit about our vision, what our business does, about us, a nice little parallax or scrolling effect that I've got here with the mouse about our businesses, and also the contact us page. And this is another website, mybit.co, that I created with Elementor as well. This I created for one of my clients involved in a Bitcoin offer, and you can see instead of adding a picture on the Elementor background, you can also add a video from YouTube. You can embed videos from YouTube. So you can see I added this beautiful networky sort of style to this website, which I think looks very cool. And I mean, I love this sort of design. To think that businesses spend days and days on creating websites like this from scratch, with all the coding work they have to do, to think now here in this video, 10-minute video, whatever it may be, you can create this in 10 minutes for free. It's actually super crazy what you can do with a plugin like Elementor. But as I say, this is definitely a topic I want to touch more deeply on maybe a second channel, where I'll also upload videos on courses like this for free for you guys, so you can create your own websites. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below what you think of some of these websites that I've created with Elementor, and if you think they're professional or not. But I really think for a free plugin like this, it's really worth it, and you can create some really professional work here. But as I say, comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your ideas, and if you guys need any help with your websites, let me know in the comments or personally on Instagram, and leave a like. I'll really appreciate a like on this video, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content like this, free courses, free premium support, and also how to make money online, and also how to succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.